Okay, George, hi. This is your watch, and as you can see, and probably as you already know, it is in not so good condition. The movement has some rusted parts, especially the balance bridge. It is rusted here at this point, as you can see, and the weight is roughly it's not in so good shape. The screw is a little bit rusted. There are some other rusted parts here and there. Also the weight is a little bit wobbly, as you can see. It is moving freely, so the ball bearing is working good, but being so wobbly, it will need to be thoroughly inspected and disassembled, eventually replaced if it's in too bad a condition. Furthermore, the case presents some pitting here where the gasket sat. The gasket on the case back is round. It should be flat. Not that that really makes a difference, but it is a matter of perfect sealing and perfect water tightness. So this was replaced sometime. As far as the rest of the case goes, it does have, and you know this already, some scratches and some dents here and there, but all in all is in pretty good condition. The bracelet looks almost pristine, not really too bad. I'll do a ultrasonic cleaning and it will turn back as almost as new. Some scratches here and there, of course, but it's normal wear and tear. What really concerns me is the movement itself with these rusted parts. So the purpose of this video is to show you exactly the state of the watch, how I got it, and to let you know what are my intentions with it. So you ask a complete service, and you will have a complete service. Then as I go in deep inside the movement, I will tell you exactly what needs to be replaced, what can be fixed, and what should be bought eventually. It's very dry, it's very dirty. I've seen worse, but yeah, the rust is obviously not good. Okay. So this first part is the disassembly of the movement. So as first I will remove the bracelet. By the way, it has already been polished, the case back. I don't know if it's even, yeah, it is. Okay. no worries. Anyway, it has been polished because you can see that it's pretty shiny. Some scratches have been made to it while trying to open it without the proper tool. As you saw, I used a case opener, so that's the proper tool to do it. So let's go. Now this look good. But this won't need replacing. Put that aside. So not to lose them, I'm gonna insert them inside. Okay. Well, at least we know, as you do. Yeah, their watch is working. So first things first, I would indeed recommend to replace this screw. As you can see, the weight does present some signs of wobbling. It has been scratching on the bottom side. But all in all, looks good. Take the movement holder.